At the end of last term, we're told that we're going to be partnering with the Special Youth Leaders Foundation, and what they wanted to achieve was a process whereby they could get certain skills that could keep them ahead in life and things they could practice. So I felt it was a big opportunity for me to introduce the students to Python. Although it has not been without its own challenges, because one of the major things these children, we don't have laptops. But I was able to get a software, that's PyDroid, that they could use on their phones. But even as that, not everyone still has a phone. So far, it has been a welcome experience. Just recently, we were able to create a calculator that could solve quadratic equation. The children are really happy, the fact that they get to see something other than the old boring mathematics. Oh, they get to see new things. New things just excite children.
I'm a single mother with 3 kids. My husband left us since 2019. So since then, I've been taking care of my kids. Before, I'm selling shoes and bags. But for now, I don't have anything I'm doing. My mother died. She's the one assisting me and my 3 boys, paying their school fees. If I run to her, she'll be the one to take care of me and my children. Even the last time school, they didn't attend. If I do have something, I used to be ashamed. So that's why I don't want them to attend the summer lesson before. I want a better future for my children. I want them to go to school, university, so that all what I pass through, they will not pass through it. I want a better future for them.
Last year, I was also here and I made bad making and bridal fun. I'm so happy to be here again because I'm so excited. And this is a very great opportunity for me. I've been in summer school for 5 weeks now, and I'll be able to make makeup and gele. Actually, it's something I really have passion for, because making people look beautiful is one thing I like to do. At least it goes with my name, Beauty of God. And if I could make people look beautiful, then I'm ready to go.
A very big thank you to Special Foundation for giving me the opportunity to be among the facilitators to teach the children. You really provide all the necessary things, because when they call me that, okay, we want to do this, I say, will the school be able to provide all the ingredients? And they said I should not worry, that Special Foundation is there for us. A very big thank you, and there's nothing like, we did not have this, they did not provide it. A very big thank you, because we get all what we need.
I will say a big thank you to the Special Youth Leaders Foundation. I'll say a big thank you, because I know that this is not the only place they are working with. And if they are doing the level of impacts here in other centers, then I can say that, wow, Nigeria is in safe hands.
Did everybody have fun this past 5 weeks?
The reality that has done on us is that we have shot beyond the expectation, because right now we have shot to over 600 students. I am happy that the Special Youth Foundation has come to incorporate education into vocation. So it's a win-win situation for the students, it's a win-win situation for the school, it's a win-win situation for everybody.
Since when I was 5 years old, I always dreamt of being a chef. I have my own notebook where I jot down my ingredients and my recipes. I want to thank the Special Summer School for this opportunity to nurture my career.
It's been the end of 5 weeks of intensive learning. We've seen hair tying, we've seen them cooking. I even just ate the fried rice. We've seen makeup, we've seen tailoring. The kids have learned. You can tell that they're happy to be here. And this is why we do the work we do at the Special Foundation, to give the kids a chance to experience something like this. We're saying a very big thank you to our sponsors, to the facilitators and the teachers, everybody who has contributed their time and resources to make this possible. We hope to do this again next year, bigger and better.